was a quick, wet boy diving too deep for coins. All of your strength, blind eyes, wide on my plastic toys. And when the cops closed the fair, I cut my long baby hair, stole me a dog-eared map, and called for you everywhere. Have I found you, flightless bird, jealous, weeping, or lose you, American mouth, big bill, lumen. Now I'm a fat house cat, cursing my sorbonne tongue, watching the warm poison rats curl through the white fence cracks, pissing on magazine photos. Those fishing lures throw in the cold and clean blood of Christ's mountain stream. Have I found